Assalamu alaikum friends. Here is big bag of graphics files. That's mean all in one. Here is After Effects file, fonts, illustrators, and here is for Photoshop. So these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. I find user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Property. You see here 21.9 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. Here is total file 11,884. Okay, first is After Effects file 9.94 GB. Here is some fonts, Illustrator 7.83, and last is Photoshop 4.12 GB. Here is Art Gallery Museum. These files for After Effects. Here is font file. Here is main project file for CS6 and 5.5. Here is for Adobe After Effects. Open. Wait. Next is breaking news intro. You can make your own breaking news. 95. You need this font. Download from internet. Replace your text and set your background music. Okay, here is label pack placeholder. Okay, label dark light, that's mean you can edit everything. Okay, breaking news, no, wait, you need this font. Wow, play. Oh, too slow. Placeholder extract photo 1 photo 3, so you can place your photo one by one in this folder. Okay, next is device mocha project. This file for After Effects CC, epic, golden memories, romantic slideshow. You can use as a wedding slideshow project, healthy hobbit, infographic bundle, Instagram story. Here is font, here is main file. Okay, 2019, no, next is news intro, iPhone 6 app pro. Okay, these files totally file for After Effects. You need this font. Oh, you can download from web. Okay, play. I think this file have some issue, but don't worry, I hope your After Effects run this file. Next is font. Here is handwriting font collection, total is 46. Okay, next is illustrator, tasty food icons. Wow, watercolor designer, amazing. Here is toolkit, PNG shapes, pre-made templates. Okay, cute things I can set. Here is a stock, Google's icon, cute thing, moon, with different format, and last is Photoshop. Here is a background, background. Here is the element, black. Okay, next is digital paper bundle. Wow, amazing. Here is Photoshop and phone screen mockup. You can apply your own design or photo. Okay, extract this one. Here is phone. Replace your photo, press Ctrl S for saving. I hope these are useful for you. Download this app or password. Take care, love.